Hello friends, it's me Melvin. Welcome to AM Learning Station, and I'm going to take a lesson called Wild Animals. Let us begin. Wild animals. The animals we see in the jungle are wild animals. We cannot keep these animals at home. Tigers, zebras, and giraffe, bears, lions, and deers are except of wild animals. Some wild animals, such as crocodiles, snakes, and frogs, live both in water and land. Homes of wild animals. Wild animal lives on land, on trees, and in water. In a forest, some animals make home and some animals do not. Animals like giraffe, elephant, and deer and zebra wander in the forest. They rest under the shade of trees. A lion lives in a den. A bear lives in a cave. A bird makes nest on a tree. Snakes, rat, and more lives in holes. Hippopotamus and crocodiles live both on land and water. Some animals rest under trees, eating herbivores. Wild animals. Wild animals eat different kinds of food animals. Such animals, elephant, rhinos, deer, giraffe, and zebra eat plants and plant spots. Such animals are called plant-eating animals or herbivores. Carnivores. Animals such as lions and tigers, crocodiles, and leopards kill other animals and eat their flesh. Such animals are called flesh-eating animals or carnivores. Omnivores. Animals such as snake, kingfish, swallows, some small animal such as cow, bear, and bats eat both plants as well as flesh of animals. Such animals are called omnivores. Animals such as vultures, hyena, and fox eat the flesh of dead animals. They help to keep the forest clean. Sheep, wild animals. Wild animals like tiger, lions, pandas, and rhinos are in danger. They are killed by humans, being of skin, fur, and medicine. Human being are cutting the forest, and they will destroy the homes of wild animals. We need to save wild animal. If we do not save this animal now, we may not find them in the coming years. We should not kill the animals, meat the fat. We should stop cutting forest. Point to reflect. Lions, tigers, elephants, monkeys, owls, and snakes are some of wild animals. Wild animals live on land, on trees, and in water. In a forest, giraffe and elephant are herbivores, where lions and tigers are carnivorous. Vultures, hyenas, and fox help to keep the forest clean. We should protect the forest and wild animals. If if you like this video, put a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. And it's me, Melvin. Peace out.